In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Snowflake account name. If you're new to Snowflake or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate through Snowsite and easily find the account name you're looking for. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into Snowsite. This is Snowflake's modern web interface. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is the central hub for your Snowflake activities. From here, you can execute queries, monitor your data, and manage your account. Now focus your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where the account selector is located. It might resemble a small icon or drop-down menu, depending on your organization's Snowsite setup. You'll notice it near where you'd typically find the logout option or account settings. Clicking on the account selector will present you with several options relating to your account. You are going to look for the option that says View Account Details. This is your gateway to all the vital information about your Snowflake account. By selecting this option, a dialog box will pop up promptly on your screen. Now, within this dialog box, you will find crucial details related to your account. The first detail to pay attention to is the account identifier. This identifier is presented in a format similar to org name, account name. Here, org name is usually a placeholder for your organization's name, and account name is the specific identifier for your account within your organization. This is what Snowflake uses as your account name, so be sure to take note of it if you need it for future reference. Adjacent to the account identifier, you'll also notice the account or server URL. This URL is displayed in a format like https org name, account name, snowflakecomputing.com. While this URL might seem like just a web address, it is directly linked with your account name and is often used when setting up connections or sharing access with team members. To wrap up, please remember that understanding the account name and the URL is essential, especially if you are configuring integrations or need to access specific resources within your Snowflake environment. These identifiers ensure that you're working within the right account context, helping prevent any mix-ups when managing multiple environments or collaborating with your colleagues. And there you have it. That's how you find your account name in Snowflake using Snowsite. This quick process not only helps you confirm your account details, but also ensures you're set up correctly for any tasks that require specific account identification. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your workflow smoother. If you have any other Snowflake questions, be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and insights.